Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to shoot and edit your pictures like a pro, so stay tuned as we learn. So I made today's video with the help of Canva, Snapseed, InShot, A2Z Recorder. So these apps are free. You can head on to Google Play Store and download them into your phone, and everything from the beginning to the end can be done with your smartphone. So let's start it. So assuming you just started a new business and you don't have money to pay professional photographers, but you need people in your locality to know about your business, you can simply shoot your products and edit them and post them on your social media handles easily. It's not something that you can hire professional photographers, because your business is just starting out. So all you need to do is to package your product and get pictures of your products in different angles like I've shown in this video. Just try different angles before you start choosing which one to use, because if you are not really good at photography, you should just learn from what I'm doing here, arranging the products in ways that can be easy for me to capture, and also limiting your background so that you don't have to do too much work in editing. So like you can see, I captured the products when it has not been tied, and even after it has been tied, I also captured it in different angles. Yes, just look very well. You can also zoom and see how I'm doing that. If you don't have a bright camera, you can use whatever phone camera that you are going to use, but edit it in Snapseed. Snapseed is a very good app for you to use and edit your pictures. You can brighten, you can add lights, you can increase the brightness, contrast, and many other features. Even if you don't know how to use Snapseed, don't worry, I'm going to also do a tutorial video on that. I will be covering the app in a broad scale, but it's going to be bit by bit because it can take a lot of time to actually cover the whole app. But from what I'm showing you in this video, you can see I'm arranging the product. Yes, so if you arrange it, you zoom in and snap, you also put it in a display tree like I've done. If your products are fruits or maybe something that pertains to nature, you can try to use natural background, or you can also, if you don't have anything to snap it, you can place A4 papers, white papers as your background and snap, and go to remove.bg to remove the background and download it back to your phone. And from there you can also change the background to any color from that remove.bg, and then also come to Snapseed to continue to edit. So these things are simple things that you can do with your smartphone. When you start making profits, you can invite professional photographers. Let's check out the pictures that we've taken. So you can see from the previous video, I took several shots, and in this particular section of the video, we are checking out those shots to know if they are really good or we have to do another one. But from what you can see, I like this one in particular. They are nice shots, and once they are being retouched or there's really nothing much to add to it. Though you get shots that are not good, you delete those ones and work with the ones that you think you can work with. So that's just it about that. Then after checking out the whole pictures, you can go ahead to select the one that you think is the best fit for you. Just, you've already downloaded your Snapseed, open it and select the best picture you think and then go ahead to edit it. So in editing this is like the dashboard for my particular Snapseed. You have different tools. First of all, I will crop it because there are some parts I don't want to show. After cropping it, I'll go ahead and save that edit. Then add from the tools menu. If you pull it up, you will see where to add a text, because I'm going to be adding some information, both contact information. You double tap and edit, maybe crunchy potato chips for sale or fresh potato chips for sale, whatever you want to be on your advert banner. You do that, just write it and make sure you add a contact information that you want people to reach you with. Then you save that and share on your social media handles. You can do this for any of your products. You can also do it and assemble. If you want to do a video, assemble it. Snapseed is really one of the easiest app to use, easiest photo editing app to use. Like, I stay using it for some time now. Like, it's been more than 2 years I've been using the app, and it has been amazing. Even when I don't have good phone camera, Snapseed does the magic for me. So if you don't know how to use it, we have for you. After doing all this, you save your picture and export. That's it. So after saving this picture, you can view it. That's one thing I like about Snapseed. And after viewing, you can share to your blog or your social media handles. You have a quality image here. So that's it about Snapseed. I went out a few days ago. It was really sunny. But you know, when it's sunny, you can get very cool nature pictures. So I decided to share with you. For those of you that have my WhatsApp contact, you must have seen some of these pictures. So when you want to take a nature picture, as my camera is showing, many people do this. They just capture the sky alone. But you won't really get cool pictures like this. If you want to really get very beautiful pictures, try to add some elements of nature to it, like this coconut tree and some other trees around the environment. I try to capture them, and you can see I'll be showing you some of the snapshots, and you will really see how good they look. And for my camera, you can set it to 64 MP so that you capture nice pictures, or you just use it like that without setting it. So look at the pictures that we have. Then you can compare it to the one that is just the sky alone. You see that they look so different. Like, the ones that have nature elements are so cool. You can edit it. If your phone camera is not as sharp as this, you can also leave it like this because it's beautiful. So in the same location, I also saw a coconut tree that I captured to also buttress my point of capturing whatever you want to showcase from different angles. You can see from the pictures I attached that you cannot view a masquerade from an angle. That's an African proverb. For you to see the masquerade very well, you have to go to different angles. So you see that the different snapshots of this coconut tree can give you different views, and from that you choose your best view, assuming you are going to tell people to come and purchase the seed the seedling of this coconut. Although it's not really fruity like that, so but I believe you got the point. So look at this, it's very cool. Like, the different angles really shows you the product, assuming this to be a product. From these different angles, you can really choose which is best for you. So that's it. With that, we've come to the end of the video. I'd like for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this with your friends. In my next video, I'll be talking about photo editing with Snapseed. You don't want to miss that. It's going to be a full tutorial. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.